Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply or add custom code or custom text in cart and checkout page in WP Hotel booking plugin in WordPress. So this is our cart page and this is our checkout page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is plugin we are using, WP Hotel booking plugin. So we are going to add or apply custom code on cart and checkout page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see add action hook hotel booking before cart total. So we are going to display code in cart and checkout page in WP Hotel booking plugin. So this is our instruction we are going to add. If you want, you can modify this code according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now back to cart page, and then you see custom code apply. So this is the instruction important. Now you see go to checkout page, also you see instruction apply. Now back to code. So you can modify this section according to requirement, and your code will apply on cart and checkout page in WP Hotel booking plugin in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.